Hi guys, welcome back to Faiza.B channel. Today we are going to work on a small pot table. We need 3 plastic bowls and a big plastic tray to make this small table. You can take off all the stickers before we paint it, and we are going to start painting with the black acrylic paint inside the bowl. Again, we are painting inside the bowl, not outside the bowl. This is how it's gonna look like after painting the bowl black from inside. Again, you guys can pick the color of your choice. I wanted to make it black, that's why I went with the black color. Now we are going to do the same thing with the plastic tray. We are going to paint the bottom of the tray. This is how it's going to look like after it gets dry. I did the double coat inside. Now we are going to connect the bottom edges. So put the bowl upside down, put a lot of glue, hot glue. You just have to make sure that we are putting enough glue because we want it to stick well. Now place another bowl on it. Hold it for a couple of seconds just to make sure it is connected well. This is how it's going to look like when they both are together and they're connected. Now we are going to do the same thing with the third bowl. We are going to put a lot of glue on the edges of the top bowl, and we are going to put third bowl upside down, and this is how it's going to look like. We're going to push it down for a little bit just to make sure it's connected well again. And now, just to make sure it is well together, I am going to put some tape on the middle edge. So as you guys can see, I'm putting the tape on the middle edge just to give it like good grip. You can do it twice. This is how it's going to look like after putting the tape on it. And now we are going to put a lot of glue on the top, and we are going to put the tray on it and press it hard just to make sure it's connected well. Now the next step is putting the golden mirror reflection tape on it. I'm taking the true stripe to put on the top of the joint and at the bottom of the joint. Keep pressing the tape while you guys are moving forward just to make sure it sticks well. This is how it's gonna look like after covering the top and the bottom. It looks very beautiful. Now we are going to put the black nylon rod on the joint to cover the joint area. So you're gonna put the glue little by little, and you can keep rotating the table to have the good grip on the table. You can put it around the entire table like that. This is the final look of the table, guys. If you really like the table, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Have a